Rubber band wrapped around these two fingers just like this. Watch, it'll actually jump to the other side.
Pages of the coloring book have yet to be colored in. Watch. I grab the color, throw it into the book. Now look, pages are now colored in. Use the power of my mind and concentrate on it.
A rubber band instantly appears.
Detach the nozzle from the balloon just like this. It is cut in twain just like so. Now look, I take the rope. It is magically restored. Watch closely. Here is the secret to the trick. You're going to take one rubber band and put it around your hand just like this. Now it helps to have some extra rubber bands on your wrist right here, because you're going to grab the band like this and stretch it around the back of your hand and then pinch it right here with your thumb. So the reason these bands around the wrist are important, you want that to blend in with some other rubber bands. And then the other thing that is left for the audience to see is right here, and we're going to cover that by kind of curling these fingers in and making it look like we have a little finger gun. Now the thumb is holding all the tension on the band right here, so when we let go, it will pop back into this position around our finger. Thank you to our sponsor for this episode, One Bone Clothing. Super high quality clothing made in Canada, and you can get 15% off your first order using code EvanEra at checkout. They sent me this amazing trench hoodie. I love this thing. I've been wearing it every day since they sent it. Click the link in the description and take 15% off your first order. Watch the toothpick. If I just use the power of my mind and concentrate on it, cause it to break in half. All you need to perform this magic trick is a normal, everyday, round wooden toothpick. Break it in half. You're gonna take the two pieces and push them back together ever so slightly. Hold the toothpick between your forefinger and thumb, and you're going to use your middle finger to flick the bottom of the toothpick just like that, and it will look like it breaks using the power of your mind. This is the magic coloring book. You can see all the pages of the coloring book have yet to be colored in, but look, here's what we do. We take some crayons and we use a little magic. Watch. I grab the color, throw it into the book. Now look, all of the pages are now colored in. But wait, it's just a snap and a wave. They completely disappear. The magic crayon trick. This is very easy to do. If you let go of the pressure with your fingers, the crayons will slide down into the box. This is what's inside the box. Half crayon. This is one of our fan favorites from our online shop. This is the magic coloring book. One of the easiest tricks to do. It's perfect for beginners. If you flip from this top corner, the pages are cut so that it only shows the pages of the coloring book not yet colored in. But if you flip it from the middle, it looks like all of the pages have somehow magically colored themselves in an instant. And then if you want to make it go completely blank, all you have to do is flip it from this bottom corner and the pages of the book are cut so that it only shows blank pages just like that.
Check this out. I have a rubber band wrapped around my two fingers just like this. Watch, it'll jump to the other side. Now look, it jumps right back through. This is a very easy rubber band trick. All you need is one single rubber band. You're going to slip it around these two fingers like so, pull it out like this, and you're going to pinch right here with your thumb. You're going to twist this around the back side of your hand and curl your knuckles in. This is going to run right across the front of your knuckles just like this, and then you're going to hold it with these two fingers. Close up here, and this is how we start the trick off. Now to get it to pop back to the other side, you're just going to release the pressure with your ring and pinky finger, and it will pop right back through. Check it out. I have a piece of rope here. It's gonna go right through our little box just like this. Now watch, I take the rope and actually split it in half just like this. You can see it is cut in twain just like so. Now look, I take the rope and it is magically restored. It's healed. You're healed. Stay tuned for the secret coming up next. The magic cut in half rope trick. This is a fan favorite from EvanEraTV.com. We have these back in stock now. Head over to the link in the description if you want to get one before they disappear again. These sell out super quick. It comes with everything you need. This is super easy to do. The rope goes right through here. It then slices in half just like this. And then look, it's magically restored. The secret is all in this little apparatus right here. The little magic box does all the work for you. It has extra pieces of of rope built inside that looks so convincingly like they are cut pieces of this same piece of rope. So you just slide this through, slide it like that, and now the rope is sliced in half. They can see the cut ends of the rope. It's so convincing that it's actually cut in half, and all you have to do is slide it into position and they can actually pull the rope out themselves and inspect it till their heart is content. Take a balloon and hold it by the nozzle. Watch. Detach the nozzle from the balloon just like this. Now look. Fuse the latex back together. All you need for this trick is a normal balloon, inflate it about halfway, and then you're going to grab the nozzle of it and bend it up just like this while you grab the top of the balloon with your other hand. You want as much of the nozzle sticking out of the top of your fingers as possible, and this is the position you're going to start the trick in. You then move this hand over across your arm, and it looks like the nozzle of the balloon has somehow detached. Now you can move it right back into position, and all you have to do is let go with this hand, rotate the balloon, and it looks like it is just magically restored.